Hey yo, how's it going, guys? What is up, my YouTube people? Welcome back to another video on Retro Vlogs. I'm Retro, and hey, what's up? So today's supposed to be a really cool video, and how I'm supposed to bring you guys on a motovlog and show you guys all these cool things, and how my bike is so fast now and how much power it makes and all that stuff. Well, we can't really do that if the bike isn't working, if it keeps breaking on me. Now luckily, it isn't a motor's fault after I did all these little tweaks that I would have shown you guys today, but I can't. After all these little tweaks I did, it's been running A1. It's perfect. But you can't really ride with a broken chassis. Let me show you guys. So if you have an eye and you can clearly see that this chassis is pretty much broken, and it has a couple welds on it. I will tell you guys in a second why. So this chassis is broken, and it has another little crack in the front. Now why? Well, I don't really know. Between the events of last video and now, something happened. Something cracked. I made a joke on the video that would have been uploaded today, but it didn't, and it's getting canceled because, well, it cracked again. Basically, the video that was supposed to be uploaded today was a video covering welding it. That's why there's welds on it. I welded it, I painted it, did all that stuff. It was perfect. I was gonna upload it today, but just yesterday I went to go turn it on, and I went and realized that there was another crack in it. The same place cracked again. I was like, what? Bro, like, it seems like overnight it just cracked. I don't know. So yeah, it made 2 trips with the weld, I guess, and yeah. Last trip I made it home late at night raining, so that probably was what killed it. But yeah, anyway, to get to the point, we have to take this motor off this chassis to do one or two things. I will explain all of that while we're taking off this motor, because this motor is going to take a little while to take off. So I'm going to get you guys on the GoPro head strap. I've not had you guys up there in a while, so let's get to that in 3, 2, 1. All right, guys, so we are on the GoPro strap head mount thing. So to continue off what I was saying, meanwhile I take this motor apart. So to go off of what I was saying, I have to take this motor off this chassis, because to get a really good weld in here, we need to reinforce this chassis with some type of metal or something. I'm really not sure how we're gonna do that yet, but that is the game plan. And the second game plan is, so if you guys are a good follower for the channel, and if you guys are new, make sure to subscribe and keep on following with the channel, because it only gets crazier from here. But anywho, yeah, if you guys know, we have a second bike on the channel called the Hoonigan bike, right? Cool, very nice. It recently blew up. My brother went ham on that bike and blew it up essentially, which is kind of a shame, because that bike was pretty sick. But it still has power. It's just it's not blown up completely. It's just semi blown up. So it's blown up. It has a really bad item. So that is the deal with that bike. So the idea that I'm starting to have right now, which might piss some people off, because this bike has gotten a lot of feedback. By the way, appreciate and love every single person who's commented and shown or emailed or shown any feedback telling me that they love the bike. And some people tell me how much of a dumbass I am. Appreciate you guys too. Yeah, Jesus, there's a lot of feedback for this bike, which is pretty crazy to me. How, I don't know, I love it. Keep it coming. It really motivates me. So yeah, but back to the bike. Like I was saying, the Hoonigan bike, it's blown up. So one of the ideas I've been having recently is, why don't I just go and take the Hoonigan bike's chassis, which is an A1 chassis. Like, we picked it up a few months ago. It's perfect, no rust, no cracks, no problems really with that chassis. Knock on something, but yeah, no problems with that chassis at all, really. It's been pretty sick so far. So why don't I just put this fast and this pretty cool motor on that thing and give it a go? Well, I've already gotten acceptance, like I've already gotten confirmation from my brother that he's fine with me doing that. So what's keeping me back? Well, really, you guys. I'm pretty sure you guys like this chassis, like how the bike looks. I don't know. I've been holding back because of that. And number two, personally, this is my childhood bike. I've had this bike ever since I was 8, and I did everything on this bike when I was little. And you know, it kind of sucks to have it go because it's just, you know, that fucked up. Tension. Anyway, like I was saying, yeah, this bike has really gone through a lot. So yeah, the chassis is about kind of done. Now, there goes my two options. I could A, revive it and patch this chassis all up again, like I always do. Or B, ditch it, use it for parts, and stick with my brother's chassis and go from there and see if we can make a move out of this. I actually cannot get this master link off, which is kind of bad. Yeah, and also a way to keep kind of the Hoonigan bike feel to it. If I ever do put this motor on that chassis, I'm gonna do something about the exhaust. I'm gonna do something pretty cool about it. So yeah, that's that. What's next? Let's get this off. Let's go ahead and gosh, I gotta take off everything. Oh, I just got into realization I gotta take off everything. Oh shit. But yeah, you guys let me know in the comments below what you guys think on this decision. Either way, it has to come off. Say we do keep this chassis and you know, revive it and patch it up or whatever, you gotta remember we still have to take off this motor to get a good weld job in there, because right now as it sits, I don't know, my dad says it's not gonna really work like that. We gotta flip this thing like 20 different positions, and plus the motor is really heavy on it. So having the motor on this chassis is just gonna obscure the process and make it a lot longer of a process. So it's just better to do this. Oh, before we do that, let me also get this gas situated. Oh, I was just pulling on his motor the whole time. There we go. So let's just dump this fuel out over here. Yeah, funny. Yeah, you can keep that. Jesus Christ, bro. Whatever. Oh wait, I just realized. Oh. Alright, smart fella, huh? We don't even need to take off the pipe. This side is done. Let's go grab the other side. And then after that, we should be set. After that, we should be set to pulling this whole motor off the... No, we're not. We need to take off this throttle. Let me turn on this light real quick. All right, we have light now. So there should be a simple, just okay. Yeah, it's not gonna be simple. You hate when you think something is gonna be simple and then it's the complete opposite. Damn. Wait, what? Boom. Again, throttle's out. Hooray. And now there should be really nothing holding this motor in. Oh, wait. The electrical components, all we gotta do is just disconnect these wires. But of course, I cannot see because I am blind. Or because it's dark, either one. So which one is coming from there? Okay, this one's there. blue is there. That is it. Now it should be free. Oh, god damn it. I say that one more time, man. It's not free, bro. This piece keeps coming out here. Oh my god. Sorry guys, oh, I forgot about the clutch. God damn it, the clutch. Just here we go. Simple fix. There it goes. Got enough. Woohoo! That was easy. Alright. Now we should be ready. Oh my god, this is one heavy son of a bitch now. And everyone, here you have it. Wow. The motorized bike. The 66 cc motorized bike motor. Here it is. Isn't she a beauty? So she's kind of heavy, so I'm gonna find somewhere to rest this thing. Oh my god, this bike is so naked now. Ugh. Yes, that's kind of weird to look at. So let's just rest this thing right here. And I'm leaking gas everywhere because I forget about the gas. God damn it. Aren't I a smart one? Luckily I wasn't on my phone. That would have been really bad. Oh shit, well I talk first. Hey, what's up guys? So, camera died, the GoPro died, but we are on the phone right now. There is the motor. So, motor died, not motor. Camera died, but we have the phone right now. So, to wrap up this section of the video, or today for me, we have the motor off, which is pretty sick. We got this motor off. Chassis is looking pretty bare bones. Lots of space, a lot lighter. It's literally a tin can now, so pretty good. Yeah, next time I can't work on this tomorrow. I have work. So probably Thursday. Yeah. So whenever I can't work on this, I will work on this. Finish off taking all these electronic bits off the slide, the throttle, mirrors, sprocket, back wheel, all that stuff. I'll finish off all of that whenever I can. As for you guys though, you guys are gonna see the next part in a few seconds. So before we get to that, we got the motor off right there, and all we need to do is get all the rest of the stuff off. I will have an answer for you guys on what will we do, what are we going to be doing for Spicy, if we're going to be repairing, patching up this chassis, or if we're going to be chucking it and going on for bigger and better things. So all that in 3, 2, 1. See you guys next time.